The 2026 Volvo EX60 continues Volvo's strong reputation for safety, especially in crash protection and accident prevention. Built on Volvo's latest electric platform, the EX60 uses a reinforced body structure and advanced crumple zones to better absorb impact energy and protect passengers in frontal, side, and rear crashes. A standout feature is Volvo's next-generation multi-adaptive safety belt, which adjusts tension in real time based on the passenger's body size, seating position, and crash severity, helping reduce chest and head injuries. For active safety, the EX60 comes with a full suite of ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System. These include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian, cyclist, and animal detection, lane keeping aid, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. The SUV also uses cameras, radar, and LiDAR-based sensing, market dependent, to detect dangers early, even at night or in poor weather. Inside, Volvo's driver monitoring system can detect distraction or fatigue and alert the driver when needed. Overall, the EX60 is designed not just to protect you in a crash, but to help avoid accidents altogether, making it a strong choice for families and safety-focused buyers.